Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. It's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com, Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry, with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. Or you can also scan the two QR codes on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name, Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Nguyen. She is a personal financial advisor. You can contact her with the email home.nguyen@vcsc.com.vn with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. We always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 119 Street, Hoàn Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And the purpose of this video is to update you about VEA. Vim Corp mainly produce agricultural machinery. However, most of its profits are derived from its associate stakes in leading motorbike and car producers in Vietnam, including Honda Vietnam, Toyota Vietnam, and Ford Vietnam. This is the report which was collected by Viet Capital Securities about VEA, Vim Corp, on the 28th November 2022, where the current price is 38,900 Vietnam dong, target price 42,400 Vietnam dong, previous target price 50,100 Vietnam dong. Weaker outlook for vehicle sales in 2023. We maintain our buy rating for VEA as we like the company's large exposure to Vietnam's extensive motorbike market and the long-term growth of the country's auto consumption along its robust dividend yields. We cut our target price by 15% as we increase our cost of equity assumption by 100 basis points and cut our aggregate 2022 forward to 2025 forward net profits after tax MI forecast by 6%, mainly due to lower projected profits from VEA's associates in 2023. We also roll our target price horizon forward from mid-2023 to year-end 2023. We expect passenger car and two-wheel industry sales to achieve respective CAGRs of 6% and 3% in 2022 forward, 2025 forward, as vehicle sales have risen in 2022 due to pent-up demand from COVID-19 in 2021, which will be followed by a fall in 2023 due to expected weaker consumer spending. Our target price puts VEA's 2022 forward, 2023 forward PE at 8.4 times lower than the 5-year average peer TTM PE of 9.4 times. VEA's forward year 2021 forward dividend yield paid in 2022 looks attractive at 12%. Downside rates intensifying competition in forward market, weaker than expected consumer confidence. Economic headwinds to undermine purchasing power of Vietnamese consumers, dampening the short-term growth outlooks for VEA and its associates. We expect economic headwinds to cast a shadow on the purchasing power and confidence of Vietnamese consumers. Furthermore, we expect a depreciation of the Vietnam dong against the US dollar and the unresolved supply shortage to drive higher selling prices across vertical brands that will further weaken demand. Therefore, we expect slight declines for both 2W and PC sales volume at the industry level of 3% year-over-year and 5% year-over-year in 2023, respectively, from a relatively high base in 2022. In our forecast, we assume a recovery in discretionary spending starting from H2 2024 and a stronger demand rebound in 2025. Toyota's plan to locally assemble flagship models to support 4W net profit margins, while Honda and Ford's 4W sales underperform. Honda's 2W dominance continues. We expect 4W profit margins to be supported by Toyota's plan to assemble two flagship MPV models in Vietnam, Veloz and Avensis, starting in December 2022, as complete lockdown cars typically generate higher profit margins compared to completely built up. While we expect Toyota's market share will continue to be bolstered by strong competitiveness from new models with more attractive price feature profiles such as small SUVs, Corolla, Cross, and Rise, and MPV Veloz, we project Honda and Ford to underperform due to their limited product portfolios and less active upgrades and new launches. Meanwhile, we project Honda's 2W market share will continue to dominate the Vietnamese market and expand from 80% in 2022 forward to 81% in 2024 forward, based on its diverse product portfolio and strong brand. 9 months 2022 strong earnings backed by robust vehicle sales. Tier 1 VEA's Q3 2022 and 9 months 2022 results, including VCSC estimates of associate profits. Revenue, mainly driven by the agricultural machinery, foundry, and automobile part businesses. EBIT improved due to tighter cost controls in the agricultural machinery business. Honda, strong profitability due to a short-term supply shortage is in our view. Other non-operating profits, thanks to higher bank deposit rates. Honda 2W, Honda market share recovered to 80% in Q3 2022, compares to 75% in Q2 2022 as the supply shortage eased. Honda 4W weak results due to heightened competition in the market, including the launch of updated flagship models, Hyundai Tucson and Kia Sportage. Toyota, thanks to strong growth of new models such as compact SUV Corolla Cross, CBU more than 77% year-over-year 9 months 2022, and MPV Veloz, CBU launched in April 2022, 10% of total Toyota sales in 9 months 2022. Ford, weak results in 9 months 2022 across models apart from Transit. CKD minibus more than 201% year-over-year in 9 months 2022. 2022 forward, projecting 23% net profits after tax amount growth as vehicle sales jumped post-pandemic. Operating profits, we raise our EBIT forecast by 6% as 9 months 2022 results tracked ahead of our previous forecast, mostly thanks to improvements in the profitability of VEA's subsidiaries and affiliates. Associate profits. We project PC and 2W industry sales to increase 40% year-over-year and 17% year-over-year in 2022 forward, compares to previously 40% year-over-year and 10% year-over-year respectively, which is due to better than expected profit results in 9 months 2022. NPM of associate companies to widen as we expect a demand recovery will bolster their sales mix. Fourth, we expect NPM will continue to be partly bolstered by its CKD flagship pickup truck Ranger. We note that CKB cars typically generate higher profit margins compared to CBUs. Honda's 2W, we expect Honda's market share to maintain dominance at 80% in 2022 forward. We increased our forecast for Honda's 2W as volume has soared since August 2022 thanks to supplies returning. Honda 4W, our expectation for Honda's outstanding sales volume is mainly premised on its flagship models such as CT, CKD, Sedan B. Toyota, our expectation for Toyota's performance is derived from its new flagship models from its compact SUV Corolla Cross, CBU more than 40% of your subcompact SUV Rise, CBU and MPV ballots, CBU. Ford, we raised our forecast for Ford sales volume by 3% thanks to a sales recovery from the updated Ford Ranger 2022 pickup truck model and Ford's focus on upgrading its SUV models such as Ford Everett 2022. Nevertheless, we expect Ford to continue to lose market share in the PC industry in 2022 forward due to its higher prices and lack of Asian localized designs. 2023 forward, weaker discretionary spending clouds vehicle sales in 2023. Associate profits. We project PC and 2W industry sales to decrease 5% year-over-year and 3% year-over-year in 2023 forwards, respectively, which is due to the outlook for a global economic slowdown that will result in expected weaker discretionary spending from customers. Even those in the middle affluent class, however, we expect NPM of associate companies will continue to widen as we assume more flagship models, such as Toyota Vallis Cross will be assembled locally. Ford, we expect Ford's NPM will continue to be improved by a CKD flagship pickup truck Ranger. We note that CKB cars typically generate higher profit margins compared to CBUs. Honda 2W, Honda's market share is expected to remain dominant at 81% in 2023 forward. Honda 4W, due to industry weakness and market share loss. Toyota, due to industry weakness. Ford, due to industry weakness. We also expect Ford to lose market share in the PC industry in 2023 forwards due to its higher prices compared to other affordable brands such as Kia and Mitsubishi and lack of Asian localized designs. And now let's see the view for Vietnam's 4W industry sales in 9 months 2022 up in October, and Figure 5 monthly PC sales volume in 2018 and 2022. Figure 6 PC sales volume and growth of major producers. Figure 7 PC market share by producers. And Figure 8 Honda's monthly 2W sales volume. Valuation. In this update report, we'll roll our key tariff price forward from mid-2023 to year-end 2023. We cut our target price by 15% as we increased our cost of equity assumption by 100 basis points and cut our aggregate 2022 forward. 2024 forward net profits after tax MI forecast by 6% mainly due to our downward revision for profits from VEA's associates in 2023. We maintain our dividend discounted model valuation approach for VEA as we believe it suits VEA's stable dividend policy. We also maintain a discount on our estimated equity value of 25% as a result of one, VEA's lack of control over its automobile affiliates and limited information disclosures regarding these companies, as well as two, the risks of value erosion by VEA's core businesses, which face stiff competition from Chinese products and lack competitive advantages. Figure 9, BCSC valuation for VEA. Figure 10, dividend projections for VEA. Recommendation history with the market price and target price. Financial statements. Yeah, that brings me to the end of my presentation about VEA. Hope this video and some information will be useful for you. If you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the information on the screen so that we can assist you. Thank you for your listening and see you next time.